So here's the thing with leading teacher wellbeing. It's probably not as simple as you think. If you've been tasked with this massive job, no doubt you're trying by doing things like having hot chip Fridays, morning teas, and even cancelling meetings during the week. Now, all of this is wonderful, and I know you're doing your absolute best. But here's the thing, this probably isn't helping to make your teachers feel less stressed or less overwhelmed, and it's certainly not shortening their to-do list. This PL Day is all about unpacking three main things. Firstly, self-care is not well-being, which means those lovely things like fruit bowls on your staff room table and chocolate cake have their place, but they're not going to transform well-being of your teachers. Secondly, we need collective responsibility when it comes to transforming teacher well-being, and this means firstly we have to look at individual responsibility before we have collective responsibility together. And lastly, teacher wellbeing is hard. It just is. So we need to understand the work that goes on behind this and how as leaders we can actually lead this. Now, not only will you walk away understanding these three things, but I'm also going to gift you a framework which you can take back to your school to help you build a common understanding of what teacher wellbeing really is. You can use this to begin conversations in your school about transforming and leading teacher wellbeing, and with this you can start to get some real embedded change that will not only transform teacher wellbeing but also impact your overall school culture.